Most people get this type of questions wrong because they forget the order of operation. If you look at these questions now, you see we have division and then we have multiplication. Whenever you are to solve questions like this, don't forget the rule and the rule for the order of operation, which is either BODMAS or PEMDAS, anyone that you are used to. We either have BODMAS or PEMDAS. Note that both are the same. Both PEMDAS and BODMAS are the same. Reason being that if you look at this B here means bracket and this P means parenthesis, the same thing. Both bracket and parenthesis mean the same thing. And then we have O that we use for operation or open or that we use for off. Then E is the exponential. Then we have D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. If you look at these two now, you realize that this equation has both multiplication and division. But if you pay attention here, you realize that for the BODMAS, D comes before M, that is division comes before multiplication, and then for PEMDAS, multiplication comes before division. I need you to know that both multiplication and division, they are the same thing. So whenever you come across multiplication and division in a given question, note that you are to solve them the way they appear. If multiplication appears first, then you multiply first. If division appears first, then you divide first. Same thing applies to addition and subtraction. If addition appears first in a given equation, then you have to add first. If subtraction appears first, you have to subtract first. Now, let's take a look at this first question. It says 12 divided by 2 then times 6. If you are to use PEMDAS for this, if you are used to PEMDAS and you want to use PEMDAS for this, you realize that for PEMDAS we have multiplication and division. So if you multiply before you divide, you will get the wrong answer, because if you multiply before you divide, then you will have 12 divided by 2 times 6, that's 12, and your answer will be 1. And this is wrong. This is not the correct answer. But the rule is that you must solve the one that appears first. You must solve it first, which means that we are to say 12 divided by 2. We are to take the first operation first. 12 divided by 2, that will give 6. Then we take the second operation, 6 times 6, that will give 36. So 36 is the correct answer. That means that this is the correct answer. So if you had solved it this way, if you had multiplied first, then you would have gotten 1, which is going to be the wrong answer. So whenever you come across equations like this, you solve the first operation before the next one. Now let's take a look at the second one. It says 18 times 3 then divided by 2. If you are used to BODMAS, you might say you want to divide first. Although there are some situations whereby even if you apply division first, you still get the same answer. But just to avoid making mistakes in a situation whereby that doesn't apply, make sure you solve the first operation first. That means for here now we'll be having 18 times 3, and that will give 54. Then 54 divided by 2 would give 27. So that means the answer for this one is 27. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and I will definitely reply. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.